Welcome back to Import to Cup channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today guys, I have the most hardcore Lamborghini Huracan that you can buy now. Lamborghini Huracan STO. I'll show you guys all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. This color combination, this yellow with green accent stickers, is all from Lamborghini, especially paired with a complete Vorsteiner carbon fiber program for this car. It consists of this front spoiler. It's bigger and more pronounced with that design. This is the only STO in the country that sports this body kit. It just installed. The front carbon fiber canards, the aero ducts, look at that. This is not stock. This is from Vorsteiner. That's stock. Actually, the whole car is made out of carbon fiber composite because this is an STO. The only non-carbon fiber parts on this car is the doors and the roof. So we just added more aggressive aero and more flair to it with this Vorsteiner kit. We made the wheels carbon fiber as well. So this is from MV Forge with yellow accents to match the car color. This is a two-piece wheel setup because the first piece is the Diamag carbon fiber barrel. Then the centers is made out of forged aluminum and made by MV Forge. So this is sporting a 20-inch. The tires is 245/30, while this is a 21-inch wheel setup, measuring 325/25/21. This is the most common wheel setup that I do at Import to Cup. A 20-21-inch combination for this platform. Yeah, it's more concave and wider. This car has a special brake system because this is a STO. It's called the Brembo CCMR, also in green. The wheels are bigger and wider at the back. So the whole STO logo is there. The Vorsteiner side rocker carbon fiber panel. This is from Vorsteiner as well. They call it the side intake duct. For my favorite part, the rear. This is from Vorsteiner. Look at the carbon fiber fin. It's huge. And I like this design. When I was installing it, pictures doesn't do justice. It's massive and yeah, it's all bolt-on. The fitment and the quality of the Vorsteiner kit is second to none. It's one of the best. Yeah, we didn't even shave anything or what. It's a direct bolt-on. So if you wanna remove it, it's so easy to remove it. The straight pipe exhaust from Novitec. Look at that. It's thermal wrapped in Inconel material. Basically, there's no housing or chamber. It's all pipes. Just one X then. Exiting to this gold tips. Yeah, we made the exhaust tips gold and in carbon fiber just to match everything up. Crazy. It's very, very high-pitched. Crispy. To put it in a word, crispy sounding exhaust system. This car is equipped with the full Novitec exhaust, race exhaust in Inconel material, lighter, stronger. Then for this car to sound like this, we actually decatted this Huracan. We've installed the FIE headers, manifolds. Our reviews of Huracans doesn't have this mod, the manifold decat mod. So that makes it extra special and extra loud. And it gains more power. I actually don't have any complaints with this car because I love it. Every time I drive an STO, it really feels special. It's a different kind of car as compared to a normal LP 610 version or Evo version. I'm in STO mode right now. The shifts are slower. You can really feel the difference. It's significantly slower, but in Trofeo mode, it's way faster and responsive. This is the most agile, the most race car vibe Huracan that you can buy. This car has Novitec adjustable springs. We didn't slam the car because the owner likes to drive this every weekend. It's one of his favorite cars right now. The car has a 5.2 liter V10 engine producing 613 horsepower and 419 torque. We tuned this car to have more power. It gained around 30 horsepower more from the tune, stage 2 tune, and with the headers and the exhaust system setup. It's pretty good, but the owner is discussing with me future engine mods, a VF supercharger. I think he's getting used to the power already and he wants more. This car is really responsive to the inputs of the driver. Look at this. It's so quick. The DCT in Trofeo mode is so fast, but not as GT3 RS fast. This rivals a GT3 RS, a Pista for Ferrari counterpart, and the LT, which is the 765 LT, which we reviewed as well. If you compare it to Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini, and the McLaren, this sounds the best. The road noise of this car is almost unbearable. You can hear all the rattles and the pebbles on the stones if the tires pick it up. This is an full Alcantara and carbon interior because this is an STO with green piping, green stitch, and green accent leather color. The steering wheel is Alcantara with a green leather center ring. The quality of Lamborghini is really nice. The brake feel is way better than my Huracan. I can honestly say it's a good modification if you want to improve your brake system, is to get a stock STO ceramic brake system. Then brakes. Okay, we're done. Comment in the comment section below if you like this build. Like, subscribe, share our videos if you like them, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Goodbye.